3 reasons why you should never chase a woman. That is what I want to share in this video. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the end to know the reasons why you should never chase a woman. But before I proceed on this video, I want to tell you that you are most welcome to this channel. As you stop to watch this video, you will get whatever good you are looking for. My name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets, natural ways to keep men, both dating, relationship advice for both men and women. So join us by subscribing. Make sure that you turn on the bell. Anytime I upload a new content, you will get notified of my new upload. So what are the 3 reasons why you should never chase a woman? Number 1, it diverts your goal and focus in life. Yes, that time you used to chase women, you're supposed to use it to do something that will benefit you or to help you become the best version of yourself. So when you chase a woman, you are wasting your time. The time you are supposed to use to do something valuable, you are putting it on chasing women, while many are out there making thousands, millions of dollars online. Physically, you are chasing women. The time you are supposed to use to do something that will be productive to you, you are putting it on women. Remember that once you have money, women will chase you. But if you don't have money, you will be chasing women. And if you can stop chasing women, you have solved 95% of your problems. So the reason why you should not chase women is because it diverts your goal, your focus in life. So if you don't want to divert your goal, avoid chasing women. Number 2 is it exposes you to danger, infection, and setback. Yes, in times of infection, you may have intercourse with her and get infection. It may be a lady that don't keep hygiene. Maybe she have infection and you sleep with her, you may be infected. So the reason why you should never chase a woman is because it exposes you to danger like infection and setback. So avoid chasing women to avoid infection, to avoid setback. In times of setback, you may meet someone who is initiated or who is possessed, and once you sleep with her, things you do will start going back. You start experiencing negativity, failure, and bad luck because you have something in common with someone who is possessed. So once you stop chasing women, you can't be infected. You can't experience setback or delay in things that you expect in life. So chasing women exposes you to danger. But if you stop chasing women, nothing like that in your life. So that is the reason why you should stop chasing women. Number 3 and the last is it wastes your time and energy. Yes, that is the number 3 reason why you should not chase a woman. It wastes your time and energy. The energy you're supposed to put in things that will help you to become successful, you are putting it to chase women. Like I said earlier, if you have money, women will chase you. If you don't have money, you chase women. So use that energy to put in the things that will help you to make money, rather than putting it in chasing women. That lady you are chasing may be chasing someone who has money, but you are there chasing her. She may be the type that don't like you and you don't have money. So why are you putting much energy in chasing her? So chasing women is a waste of time and energy. Rather, use that time and energy to put in the things that will help you to make more money. So avoid chasing women to become successful. And that is the reasons why you should stop chasing women and that is what I want to share with you in this video. I hope you get value. Subscribe, join us, turn on the bell. Anytime I upload a new content, it will notify you of my new upload. If you have questions and comments, drop it down in the comment section. Comment on this video. Let me know what you think. See you in my next video. Bye.